Hello and welcome to this tips and techniques video from Master Your Photography. In this series we've carefully crafted a collection of short videos designed to provide you with key points on specific topics without any of the unnecessary waffle. Our goal is to give you practical information that you can immediately apply to your own photography. We understand that your time is precious, so we've condensed each video to deliver concise, actionable information. With our tips and techniques series, you'll gain the knowledge and the confidence to improve your photography in no time at all. So, that's probably enough waffle, let's get started. Today I want to talk to you about using frames within frames. And what I mean by that is using elements that are in the environment to create a border around your subject. And this will actually add depth to your image, and it will also focus the viewer's attention on the actual focal point within your image. Now, the frame doesn't have to be on all four sides of your composition. It can be just the top, or maybe the side and the top if it's maybe a tree that's arching over and surrounding your main subject. But yeah, it doesn't have to be on all four sides. It can be silhouetted, so the frame could be literally just a black outline of a tree or an archway or something like that, or it can be fully lit. Depending on the aperture that you're using, if you use a wide aperture and focus on your subject, then the frame will be out of focus, or you can keep it in focus. It depends how important it is within the composition. Using frames like this isn't unique to just one season either. In winter, then you can use the skeleton outline of trees when they have no leaves on them, and in summer, then yes, they're full of foliage and they just look green and vibrant and make lovely summer frames around your images. There are lots of naturally occurring frames that you can use in everyday life. You can use trees or shrubs or rock formations, cave entrances, or here on the left hand side we've got a photo of one elephant framed within the legs of another one. When you're looking for frames to use, consider the shape of the frame and how it contrasts or complements your main subject. If you're using man-made structures as frames, then the obvious one is archways. Archways just lend themselves wonderfully to any kind of framing composition. But also look for unusual angles. Look up, look down. Try to find perspectives that maybe haven't been shot before. Sometimes a frame needs to be in the same plane of focus as the subject. In the case here of the people stood in the doorway, then positioning them in the doorway contains them and it tells a little bit about their environment, but it still has this element of framing the main subject. When you're shooting interiors, a great technique using framing is to actually include just part of the doorway that you're looking through, and this gives the sense that the viewer is moving into this space, which can be really powerful. So on your next trip out with your camera, start looking for frames, either in the natural environment or even man-made ones. Thank you for tuning in to Master Your Photography's Tips and Techniques series. We hope you found this video useful and practical. Remember, each photo you take is a stepping stone towards becoming a better photographer. So, get out there and capture the world in your own unique way. Until next time, happy shooting.